Fuck!
Yay! Time to get the swimming pool, guys! How you doing? Hi, everyone!
Guys, he's gonna do a gainer off that fucking thing.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I saw that. You didn't jump.
I fucked up. The guy had a flip.
Boom. Here it comes.
Oh shit.
You got the Scotty. It's not just me and Tyrone watching. You got YouTube watching him. You almost had it, dude. You gotta get more fucking, you gotta jump higher. You're close, man. Pretty close.
I gotta keep trying.
You gotta keep trying, man. What is on his mind? Oh, shit. Yep. Oh, he's jumped in that shitty pool. What you doing?
Oh fuck, I'm jumping around this shit.
Okay.
I'm jumping across this shit.
So he has to go off the pinkish purple one onto this and onto this. Go!
Our version will wipe out.
Keep it lined up. I'm trying to.
World star.
Okay.
Oh god. Oh, you fucked up.
turn.
Tyrone's turn. World star, Tyrone. Tyrone's dream ever since a little kid, guys, was to go to be on World Star.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
No!
He failed.
That was not good! Motherfuckers.
Oh, that's sick. Try it.
One.
Oh! Failed.
No, I know how to do this shit.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck the fucking jump! Oh! This is the most slipperiest one.
Yeah,
though.
it is.
So that's why it's good for it to be the last one. As soon as you land, you're slipping off it.
The wall sign!
I used to watch
Oh god.
Survive Japanese game show.
Go. Oh! Clutch. Stupidness.
3.
Oh no, not 455.
I couldn't do it.
You couldn't, it's hard.
He couldn't get that far. He
If
only
I
got-
jumped off the roof, I probably could.
Oh. You good?
The frog
tore a hole in it.
Oh shit!
Hey, so
He popped it. He tore
my money flow, I paid $50.
Dude, at least we still got this part.
Okay, good. Oh my god, I'm done.
All I heard about right now.
Boys, hold the ladder. What are you doing? Bro, this is something I have to do. What are you doing? Jordan, crazy. Guess what? Spread the virus.
Go. Yeah, look out, bro.
All the body temperature's coming
I love
on.
this.
Body temperature.
Pool, you won't, bitch. Jump in the pool. Come on, Jonathan.
How deep is it? It's 5 feet, right?
Yeah, you're not gonna drown.
No, I know how to swim. I'm not Alex.
He says I'm not Alex. He's gonna do it. This is an extra. Let's get it.
Ah! Oh, shit, nigga. Oh, God, my nose. Oh my God, my balls are floating. I was breathing.
Action. Ah! Oh my God! That person's in trouble! Making sure there's nothing in here. Are you alright, sir? Ah. Oh my God! That person's in trouble! Making sure there's nothing in here.
Look at the camera when you're done.
Oh, I know.
Now hold on to you.
Yep.
You need to hold on. Just record some part of it.
Yeah. Someone falls. We're good now. Ooh. Woohoo!
Wet.
Yeah. Oh God.
Where's my goggles? I lost my goggles!
He's lost his goggles. Oh!